In this video, I'll show you how to polish green screen edges in CapCut Pro for seamless results. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import your main background video and green screen clip. Drag the main video to the timeline first. Then place the green screen clip above it as an overlay. Trim the green screen clip to match the background's duration. Select the green screen clip and go to the Video Remove BG tool. Choose Chroma key and use the color picker to sample the green screen area. Adjust the intensity slider to remove the background completely. Reduce unwanted shadows around the edges using the shadow slider. If there's leftover green spill, adjust the Clean Up Edge slider to eliminate residue. Soften harsh transitions between your subject and the background with the Feather Edge slider for a natural blend. That's it. If this helped, subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.